crazy spider went up the spout again. I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home a baby bumblebee. Ouch! You stung me. Shoot! Oh, hey! Hey! I'm gonna swat the baby bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm gonna swat the baby bumblebee. Oh! Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Po, inom muna, inom.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun,
Huwag mo lalaglag eh.
these little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me.
Lagay mo dyan, oh, yan.
Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on, please shine down on, please shine down on me.
Diyan na lang yan.
There are lots of things we can do to be nice. Sometimes they're hard to remember. But there are two little things you should never forget. From January through December.
He's talking about please and thank you. They're called the magic words. If you want nice things to happen, they're the words that should be heard. Remember, please and
Kasi sabi ko, huwag mo ilalaglag eh. Ang kulit naman, oh. Hawakan mo nga. Huwag mong ilalaglag, oh. Hindi mo dyan, oh. Sabi nang huwag mo ilalaglag eh. Wow! Scientist! Wow! Ay, frog! Wow! Yay!
today. Hello. Oh,
Eh, bakit?
good. I'm so glad
Ayaw
you
mo yan?
came.
Ayaw mo,
Just
di
look
pabura
at
na
all
lang.
of my
Pabura na lang,
special
mawawala naman
friends.
yan eh.
Are you
Pabura
ready
na.
to
Ayaw mo
have
pala
a
yan
super
eh.
duper time? Are you sure you're ready? Great! Because so am I. Seeing all of you here today is so stupendous. Oh, it makes me want to sing. Come on, everybody. Sing along with me. You know this one. You are special. You're the only one. You're the only one like you. There isn't another in the whole wide world who can do the things you do. Because you are special, special. Everyone is special. Everyone in his or her own way. That's right. Only the special, special. Everyone is special. Everyone in his or her own way. Everyone in his or her own way. That's great. I love singing with you. Oh, here's another great one we can sing together. Come on, everybody. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Oh, that was so delicious. Let's sing it again. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Standing outside with my mouth open wide. If all the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh, what a rain that would be. Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop with your hands. Great! Now, use your mouth. Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop with your mouth. Knickerbocker, boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop. Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop. Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop. Hey, Mr. Knickerbocker, boppity bop. I like the way that you boppity bop. That was so much fun. Thank you for singing along. Hello there. It's so good to see you. Say, everyone, you know all my friends, don't you? This is Penny.
Hi there.
This is Andy.
Hi, everybody.
And here's Jessica.
Thanks for coming.
And Justin.
Nice to meet you.
So, what are all of you doing today?
Well, we were making flags for our sandcastle. But then a big sign came along. You should have seen it. It had a picture of a castle on it. But now it looks like it ran away.
Hold on, Justin. Did you say the sign ran away?
Yes, it had legs and everything.
Oh, it had legs? What could that mean?
Maybe you wanted to show us the way to a real castle.
Oh, a real castle? Oh, that would be great.
I'd love to visit a real castle.
Well, we can, you know,
We can?
Anong gusto?
by using our imagination.
Yan eh.
We can just imagine a castle with flags and trumpets and knights in shining armor. And maybe even a king.
A king? That's what I want to see.
You can, Andy. Using your imagination is the best way to visit a castle. Fairy royal castles with beautiful flags flying higher than you've ever seen. Just imagine all of the things you could see, maybe even a king or a queen. Castles so high, up to the sky, I know that I would love to go there. Castles so high, up to the sky, wouldn't you love to go to? Magical places and musical things, big surprises and so much more. We could ride a horse, having fun, of course, and eventually
Kuya, mamaya. Mamaya. Kayo ka na. Ay, lizard.
castles so high,
Lizard.
up to the sky.
Oh, lizard.
That I
Ay,
would
lizard to.
go there. Castles so high, up to the
Ay,
sky.
lizard.
Wouldn't you love to go to?
Wala na.
You want to go to?
Look, Barney, there's a sign again. You're right, look.
Oh, hello there. Oh, you don't say. No, really?
Barney, is that sign talking to you?
Yes, it is, Justin.
But what's it trying to say?
Well, let's see if we can figure it out. Are you trying to say something to a sign? It stamped its foot 2 times.
Does that mean yes? Yes, it stands for 2 times to say yes. And how do you say no sign?
1. 1 stamp means no, and 2 stamps means yes. Is that right? Yes! We figured it out! So, what can we do for you, sign? Do you need some fresh paint? Ooh, 1 stamp. That means no. It doesn't need us to paint it.
Are you lost?
1 stamp. No, it's not lost.
Maybe he wants us to follow it.
Do you want us to follow you?
2 stamps, that means yes.
You want us to follow you? Yes, it wants us to follow it. Yes, 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 it says. Follow it. Yes, yes. And then something about a path through an enchanted forest.
Ano to?
Is
Ano
that
yung
right?
lizard?
Whoa, really big yeses. Slow down, okay? Yes, yes. The sign is saying we should follow it to a real castle. The sign says it will lead us through an enchanted forest. Oh, wait a minute. Aren't we forgetting all our friends out here? They probably want to see the enchanted forest too. Let me ask them. Do you want to see the enchanted forest? Oh,
Wala na.